Hello, fellow YouTube. That's not my new intro. I don't know why I said that. I'm going to go with my dad to Florida again. So I wanted to record a quick video before I go. Let's move this chair out of the way. At least I think we're going to Florida. It's already cold now. Now, at Christmas, I got these juggling balls because I like to practice juggling. As you can see, I like them. They've been on my shelf forever because I haven't really juggled. I have to fix the camera. You know what? So I want to show you that I can kind of juggle. I suck at it. Why did I do that? Most of this video is going to be me running and grabbing them. Okay. At least I can be a clown. They don't really have to know how to juggle. They always just land on their head. If I was supposed to land on my head, why did I do that? What's that? Okie dokie, I'll deal with that in a second. This is a dumb idea. How did I get all the way over there? Oh man. Well, spooky. How am I supposed to get him? I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. My first weapon. Come back here. Oh, there's also a stuffed animal down there. Neat. Creepy. Kinda. It's a basketball stuffed animal. I did it! Da 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 da. How come I could do it earlier? See, I can kind of juggle. My record for doing that is 5. Not dropping it, just this. It's yours. Also have different things. It's a froggy. I want to see my toaster Hot Wheels. You don't really have a choice. I can't really see what you see. I have silver, black, red, blue, light blue, and gold. Here's a little bridge orb I made. I love Trevor Henderson's works. For this thing, so he managed to get creepy and cool. I have a fan. This is basically a little room tour. My brother showed me a microwave. Oh, look at these. I can't see what you see. Oh, the cameras. Here's a little arcade, and here's a little jellyfish. I have a citizenship award, but I gotta cover up the name. I'm recording a video. Hi. I know most of my subscribers are my friends and family. Wait. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I know most of my subscribers are my friends and family. But I know there's at least a few people who watch my videos who I don't know. Here's some prismatic monsters. Or am I saying monsters? I just like to be safe, forever and sorry. Here's something I made my dad, but I'm going to give him smack, smack. It was another bull. Oh. Dinosaur. 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 And I want to show you my two sons. Here's Fluffy, the older one. And here's Nugget. Here's Soap Duck. Bob, Frog, Fell, and Soap Duck. This video is a train wreck. It's probably one of my longest, so I'm going to end it by showing you Muddy. Also, I got this during the Silk Road in 6th grade, and I miss 6th grade. It was fun. Probably will do a Friends free. Friends, if I haven't done one already, I'm going to do something with Friends. Okay, bye-bye.